5 Best Cordless Vacuum for Laminate Floors Reviews. Number 1. Tyneco A11 Hero. This is an amazing and incredible vacuum cleaner that will always keep you yearning to vacuum your floor. It contains 2 detachable batteries that enable it to work for a long time without being drained. In this sense, you can use it to vacuum the whole house. It is designed in an amazing way that contains fine crystals with the best quality, hence making it look more beautiful. Having discussed the suction power of an effective vacuum cleaner, this can be among the prioritized ones since it delivers high performance of cleaning every part of the floor. The use of Tyneco A11 450 watts digital motor provides the best results. Number 2. WD-18 Lightweight Cordless. This vacuum cleaner contains a multi-surface motorized brush roll that plays a big role by penetrating every corner. This is especially under the chairs, which most of the people avoid while cleaning, due to the presence of laid flat handle and its swivel steering design. Also, it contains multifunctional accessories like 2 brushes for either cleaning vehicle seats and also insects and microorganisms from sofa sets, pillows and beds. The vital thing to consider while using this vacuum is being keen on the replacement of the sponge filter used. It's not a heavy task. Wash it after vacuuming. Number 3. MAZU Cordless Vacuum 2-inch-1. This vacuum is effective and incredible, depending on the amazing features it contains. Its powerful suction enables it to collect a large amount of dirt on the surface, including the one dropped by pets. The process of emptying dirt is very easy because there is a button that allows dirt to be released without dirtying yourself. Nevertheless, there is a washable detachable HEPA filter. This makes it suitable for one to easily clean any dirt around, thus ensuring a clean and stunning floor. Soft edge cleaning bristles and searchlight enables the cleaner to remove any dirt from walls, corners and on mats that has been dropped by pets. The indicator light keeps you up to date with the amount of light used and whether it is fully charged. Number 4. iRobot Roomba 650. Technology makes everything around us easy, even if we tend to be lazy on making our environment clean. This robot vacuum does wonder. Do you know what? Let me enlighten you. The patented dirt detect sensors available can assemble dirt from hidden areas, thus leaving the area sparkling clean. Different floors are adaptable by the vacuum because the multi-surface brushes automatically change depending on the surface. An amazing aspect about these brushes is that one loosens the dirt on the surface while the other brushes pick up the dirt.
Number 5. Dyson Cyclone V10. Although it is the smallest and lightest vacuum, it plays several roles to ensure the cleanness of a home. It is made with ceramic shafts that enables it to spin hands ready to ease while sucking the dirt easily. It has a powerful runtime of up to 60 minutes, especially when using a non-motorized tool. The filtration system is powerful, thus absorbs all the dust particles and all the dirt available. It sucks all dirt on your floors and carpets, leaving them clean. This unit converts easily to handheld models so you can easily clean your home or car.